Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear browsing data on Google Chrome step by step. Whether you want to free up space, fix loading issues, or improve privacy, this guide will help you. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Then, click Delete Browsing Data. A new window will appear. Choose a time range. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. You have different options. Browsing history removes the record of visited websites. Cookies and other site data logs you out of most websites. Cached images and files frees up storage and helps with loading issues. After selecting what you want to delete, click Delete Data. That's it. You have successfully cleared browsing data on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.